गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया। अब इसके
सब्सक्राइबर्स गए, सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स गए। I just got an inside information that you never wear sleeveless shirts, like you know how Beast is here pulling it off. The question on our mind is why, and the answer I think is very secretive. So can you reveal it?
Nothing like secret. I can do it now. Please don't do it.
Don't do this in the name of chess.
Yeah, don't. Do Isn't this what sleeveless shirt?
No, this is such abusive content.
Sorry, guys.
Why you don't do it?
You said no plus 18 content, abusive content. That is why I don't do it.
You were just saying a joke. Joke तो बोलो, क्या बोल रहे थे? Complete करो.
तो एक बार क्या रहता है कि दो लड़कियां बात करती रहती हैं और दूसरी लड़की है कि आज तू क्या पहन के आने वाले शादी में, तो कोई डिस्कस पर 2 अगस्त कौन सा मेकअप करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है। फिर सागर भाई अपने दोस्त को फ़ोन करते 15 मिनट पहले कि यार तू शादी में आ रहा है क्या? तो बोलता है हाँ मैं भी आ रहा हूँ। तू आ रहा है क्या? बोलता है हाँ। सागर बोलता है मैं भी आ रहा हूँ। तो दूसरा बोलता है क्या पहन के आना, नहा रहा है क्या तू आज? तो सागर भाई बोलता है अपनी थोड़ी शादी है नहाने के लिए।
अबे नाक के बैठा हुआ है। शादी भी नहीं है फिर भी ना आया।
तो फॉर अ चेंज सागर भाई ना के आए।
किसकी शादी में जा रहे हो? शादीमन की शादी को 2 महीने।
अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम आदिबन की शादी में चेन्नई में आएंगे तो नाना नहीं
मेरे को भी वही नोटिस करना पड़ेगा, you know, कौन नहा के आया कौन। A miracle has happened. It's 9 o'clock and Tanya's woken up
Dude, I
for the
look like
first
I'm
time
still
ever
sleeping though. Guys, we're going to meet the chief minister right now.
on Tanya's call.
Why am I looking so bad? Let's not do this. Guys, I honestly don't think there's anything worse than waking up in the morning, early in the morning. I had like 2 wake-up calls by the reception. I had 3 alarms. Luckily, didn't need the 3rd one. Arey, Chennai, can you show Chennai to everyone?
हाँ तो पीछे दिख रहा है ना।
अच्छा, okay. I have a joke,
हाँ,
but I
yes,
shouldn't
best.
crack it.
Best. चलो all of us will
I have
tell
to
a
crack
joke.
one
अभी
joke. Okay,
एक
let's
joke
see.
याद कर
No,
ले। एक joke याद कर ले।
So once Santa and Banta, okay, so they go. They go to no, actually it wasn't Santa and Banta. It was only Santa.
अच्छा,
Can I restart? Okay.
Next 7. Action.
Santa's at the ATM machine. He's waiting for his turn to withdraw money. Okay, and then Banta comes out. He's already withdrawn money. He comes out of that ATM thing, and he's like, "Oh wait, no, that one."
Third attempt. Cut.
One more cut.
Take 32. Action.
Okay, yeah, one more time. So, Santa and Banta. So, Santa and Banta, they are at an ATM machine. They're inside the ATM, okay? So, Santa first withdraws the money, withdraws his cash, and then he walks out. Okay, and then Banta, after 2 seconds, walks out. And he's like, ha ha ha, I saw your ATM pin. It's 5780. And Santa is like, ha ha ha, wrong. It's 4482.
क्या कर रहे हो यार? क्या कर रहे हो?
Dude, he gave his pin away.
Yeah, I know, but okay, I had heard another joke.
Like it's like he thought he said, haha, you did not guess my pin, but
Yeah.
he gave his pin away.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, thanks for the encouragement. You guys are great friends. I know if chess doesn't work out, I should
Now
never
you can
get
make
into
fun of
comedy.
us. Do you want to hear a joke about ghosts?
About ghosts?
Ghosts.
Is that funny? Is that going to be funny or
No,
scary?
but do you want to just
Funny
hear
or
a joke
scary?
about ghosts?
Yes.
That's the spirit.
हक दिया.
Till the time she's thinking, I'll ask you a question.
Yeah.
Riddle?
Friends cast was sinking. Okay, the cast of Friends was sinking. They were on a boat and they
Okay.
were sinking, but they did not. Why?
Because friends will be there for you.
Good one, but no.
Close? No.
Because Lisa could row.
Oh my god, this is legit the worst joke telling session ever.
So guys, if you have some friends or your family or your loved ones who you really cherish, festive season is around the corner, so this is the best time to surprise them and bring a smile on their face. Clovia has an amazing Diwali hamper which will definitely make the gift a special one. What I love about Clovia is that all the products are completely toxin free, they are not tested on animals, and also most importantly it's made in India. So it's an amazing time to support the local businesses. And Clovia has amazing Diwali discount offers, so take advantage of that. The links are in the description. They have some really cool skincare and personal regimen care products, so have a look at that. I'm sure you will love it. By the way guys, just wanted to add that I use the products of Clovia myself. The body butter ka jo cream hai, that is absolutely amazing. Do give it a try. And of course, happy Diwali in advance to all of you. So, how to ruin a good vlog 101. We are all three going to sing.
गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल
आग लगा दी आग लगा दी आग लगा दी
अब इसके
सब्सक्राइबर्स गए, सारे सब्सक्राइबर्स गए.
With it playing for content.
नहीं यार, रस गाने नहीं है, रस गानी नहीं है.
बस तू हार गया.
रंग दे बसंती.
Out of everything, देखो ये गाना like the most difficult, जिसका सिर्फ तेरे को टाइटल पता है, उसके बाद एक वर्ड भी पता है.
मुझे रंग दे बसंती.
मौसम है आशिकाना ये दिल कहीं से उनको ऐसे यूं ढूंढ लाना. चलो तुमको म से याद आया था ना गाना.
नहीं अभी ना, ऐसे चीटिंग थोड़ी करेंगे हम. हारेंगे पर चीटिंग नहीं
तुम
करेंगे.
हर बार ऐसे 30 सेकंड 40 सेकंड दे रहे हो गाना याद करने को.
तुमको कैसे फटाफट आ रहे हैं? तुम के सुनते हो क्या? न से क्या गाना होता है? न से गाने नहीं है.
क्या बात कर रहे
है ही नहीं गाने. अरे पहुंच गए अपन, अरे पहुंच गए. गेम बाद में करेंगे, अभी पहुंच गए.
इन दोनों का बाकी है ना, तो तुम इनका इंटरव्यू ले लो.
आप बोल रहे हो कि what happens after 10 years of 11 years of being together? After a long time, if you're together with someone, then few things change. What changes?
And you are saying that basically you don't like it because there's not enough effort being put after a while.
No, I feel कि अभी जैसे initially if you go out or ऐसे you're meeting someone new, you try to dress up or you want to be your best self. Why not to do that even after years?
Because it is a good thing not to feel like doing that all the time.
Yes.
Because of the comfort level.
I
which is
agree.
still there.
I agree.
Initially, there is always something when you want to
You
still
evolve.
impress.
Basically, you put effort in the right places and you be more yourself.
External
Also,
is different,
if
but
you
internal comfort is
collaborator,
different.
does it not get posted until he accepts it?
अरे क्या ये?
अलग ही life.
हो रहा है यार. Okay.
Coming back
So
to
can I invite like 2 collaborators for one?
no one. ताने ये कर लो पहले, कर लो.
You're not putting enough effort here.
यार ताने. She's like आज मैंने बहुत content दे दिया.
For example, Tanya also. If she was like not comfortable with us, she would not be herself. She would sit
Which
here.
is right now I'm just
Exactly.
being myself,
Exactly.
and you need
So
to
she
give me
would-
that space to be myself.
Yeah, we're
You
giving
can't judge me.
We are giving it. So she would not be like fakely interested. ऐसे.
Yeah, be like, tell me more.
ऐसे.
But I'm not like that.
Inside she's like shut up, shut up,
I'm
shut
not
up.
feeling bad.
So I think there are different layers of comfort with different people. There's one
And
where
like
you are.
family, yeah. Like there is family when we are there. Like we are open about everything almost. I'm comfortable.
See, I'll tell you one thing that earlier there are certain things like for example even in Amrita, like I would look at her and I would think कि ओ थोड़ा दांत आगे है, like ये तो ये क्या मतलब my perfect girl like दांत अच्छे होने चाहिए. But after a point you are just like does it even matter कि दांत उसके गिर भी जाएंगे. वो सोच रही है इसके बाल चले भी जाएंगे.
I guess he'll be attracted to you.
This is Srinath ki.
Dear Thiru Vidit Santosh Gujarati, I wish to congratulate you on your stellar performance and winning bronze medal recently included FIDE Online Chess Olympiad.
नहीं वो जान दो, नीचे के जाओ.
Thiru Vidit Santosh Gujarati, Nashik, Gujarat.
ये श्रीनाथ ने डाला है. एड्रेस ये भेजा तो. What do you think, सागर भाई? Is it cool or not cool?
विदित का एड्रेस रिवील हो गया. विदित का आइडेंटिटी. But he will get another one, no?
No, this is the one.
This forever.
he can frame it and keep it.
Are you sad about this?
No.
I mean, he doesn't mind, so what? But if you would have put my Gujarat here, I would have been like, नहीं यार, मैं तो मुंबई में रहता हूँ.
नहीं, आपके लिए it doesn't even matter, yeah. There's no debate if you're a Gujarati or Maharashtrian. But with it there's context and अभी official proof है.
कर लो ये.
करता है. It's preparation.
तो गुस्सा ला, अंदर से गुस्सा ला.
And just look at the camera. Don't look down. Okay, like confident.
पर गुस्सा लाओ अंदर से. तो अभी तान्या ने सागर को नचाया और थंबनेल में भी नहीं डाला.
Dude, I need to speak to my editor.
Why didn't you put Sagar in thumbnail? The nation wants to know.
Dalwar, you like, just wait for a new thumbnail for my last reel. I can't change
He's
it.
upset and he went.
Sagar?
He just left. तान्या not. इतना डांस किया रे. Shut up.
Take 374. हो गया आदि.